told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Dotted headline fonts of the Nothing OS for the different text. Let's check out the About phone. We get the device image on the top here with its names, device storage and the software version. Device comes with the Nothing OS 1.0.2, device ships with the Android 12 and the Mesh security patch. Kernel version is 5.4.147. Now let's check out the signature feature of Nothing phone, that is the Glyph interface. I think it's the key selling point of the device, which gives the unique look to the device even though it's adapted the design of iPhone. In this setting we can increase or decrease the brightness of these LEDs. We can set the different ringtones and the notification sounds where these LEDs blinks according to these notification sounds. It will also serve as the charging meter indicator and the Google Assistant feedback that I will show you next. These are some of the ringtones with the Glyph LED animations, which looks very attractive and impressive. Which moves the bottom LED along with our voice interactions. Flip to Glyph is the new feature. When you put the phone on the back, phone goes to the silence mode and indicates all the notification and calls with the Glyph interface. So all the major things are discussed here. Now we'll see the new update of nothingOS 1.1.2. We'll get the update notification in a status bar immediately when you set up the phone. This is the small 112 MB update. If you are coming from the 1.1.1, then you will get the only 40 MB update size. From the date of the release of Nothing phone, this one is the 4th update to fix the glitches, bugs in the OS and some display green tint issue. On my unit I did not see any green tint, black dot near the punch hole, but I faced some bugs in the UI especially for the Glyph interface. I will tell you that next in the video. When I checked the OT update under the system setting, we can see these are some change logs here. I started the download and once the download completed, I restarted the device to flash the update. Phone boots within the 1 minute to the new updated version. Now let's check out the update details one by one. First we will see the about phone. Here we can see we are upgraded to the nothingOS 1.1.2. In the Android version, you can see now we are on the latest security patch of July 2022. But still we are on the Android version 12. Kernel version is also same as before, 5.4.147. As per the changelog, they added the new fingerprint icon that can be visible after moving the phone when the screen is off. There is a separate toggle now available to activate this under the setting of fingerprint. But actually I did not found it's working. It's only visible for the few seconds if you lock the phone. After that I tried to move the phone lots of the time, but no fingerprint icon seen anytime. Next, they added the feature to turn off the always on display by default during the night time. Actually, there is a time scheduled option already available in the AOD setting. This feature actually useful if someone forgot to set the AOD timing or they don't want to set this timing manually. Next, they improved the charging performance and third-party charger compatibility. Previously, for some chargers, we can't able to see the charging meter indicator for the Glyph interface, but now it's working perfectly. Another issue that has been fixed in the Bluetooth codecs. Previously there is no 96Hz sampling rate option available for the Bluetooth codecs. Now it has been solved. Here I connected my Oppo Ekno M31 earphones and it's supporting the LDAC, ACC, SBC codecs with the 96Hz sampling rate. Now they improved some system stability and they fixed some glitches, but still I seen the Glyph interface bug here sometimes when I try to change the ringtones or the sound. Glyph interface not shown for the Glyph animations, not on the screen, not even on the back of the LED interface. To solve this, we need to close the settings and reopen it to use again. Except that other bugs seems to be fixed, but I need to thoroughly use the device for the 2 to 3 days. Then I will tell you the full list of the bugs if I found something. Let's check out the performance of the new update. I ran the Geekbench for the CPU performance test and I got the score of 704 for the single core and 2776 for the multi-core. But interesting part comes here. When I ran the Geekbench for the OpenGL drivers, I got the score of 2160, and for the Vulkan Graphics API I got the score of 2301. In the mid-range segment phones, if you compare this phone with my Nord 2, these results are almost half of the OnePlus Nord 2, which are about the 4200 results for both the OpenGL and the Vulkan Graphics. You can check that video from the iCard. So it seems that the Adreno 642L in the Nothing Phone 1 seems very poor for the graphics and the gaming. To confirm that practically I will do the full gaming test in the upcoming days, so stay tuned. So after the unboxing and the first impression, device seems pretty good. It has the awesome nothingOS, which is something different but need more updates to get polished. Glyph interface stand out the device from the crowd. It seems that other hardware issues like the green tint issue and dust in the back panel has been solved in the new production batch units. Device performance seems very good for the day-to-day activities, but as per the Geekbench result, device may lag in the heavy gaming. So that's it guys for today. In the upcoming days we will cover all the aspects of the Nothing Phone 1, so please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.